Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Senate Committee on NDDC has expressed satisfaction with the NDDC over the judicious spending of the 16 billion naira appropriated for the completion of the Commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt. The chairman of the committee, Senator Peter Nwabushi, gave the NDDC the pass mark after he led other members of the committee on an inspection of the building project as part of its oversight obligation to the Commission. Correspondent Chika Bodize has the report.
The success story of the new NDDC corporate headquarters building project began shortly after it came under the supervision of Senator Godswill Akpabio, following his appointment in August 2019 as Minister of Niger Delta Affairs. Worried that the project that was first awarded by the defunct Oil Mineral Producing Areas Development Commission, OMPADEC, and re-awarded several times by the NDDC was nowhere near completion, the Honorable Minister had made it a priority project to break the jinx of its non-completion in over 25 years. Through Akpabio's efforts, the new NDDC corporate headquarters building project has been completed with state-of-the-art facilities. After inspecting the project, the Senate Committee on Niger Delta was satisfied that the 16 billion naira appropriated for the completion of the project had been judiciously applied.
This is my second visit to this headquarters. I came with my colleagues on oversight, and immediately we finished, we voted money, and we said we want this headquarters to be completed. However, it was not. But today, we are happy to sit down in this headquarters of the Niger Delta Development Commission.
During its recent working visit to Port Harcourt, the Senate Committee on Niger Delta noted that its quarrel with the NDDC bordering on project execution was over and gave credit to the Commission's interim administrator, AKUGHA Effiong, for extending an olive branch to the National Assembly members.
This committee has no problem with anybody. But if in the course of our side function we step on your toes, it is because it is our duty. And so what happened in the course of our side function. And the sole administrator or the interim administrator has been so nice in terms of reach out, communication, and discussions. And he opened discussions with us, and he told us he's ready to work for the people of the Niger Delta within the tenure he's going to be here. And that is why you see, my distinguished colleagues, there is need for cooperation. And there is need for Niger Delta to move forward. And that is why we are here today.
In his response, the NDDC boss said the commission could no longer operate in isolation and had decided, therefore, to get critical stakeholders to buy into its project to make meaningful impact on the lives of oil-producing communities in the Niger Delta.
I want to thank the distinguished senators that have come. They have seen that the money they appropriated for the project is well utilized. Also want to thank the Honorable Minister for Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, who insisted that this project must be done so that we could stop the years of payment of huge rent and so on. When he came here, he decided to put in a whole lot of effort and energy, and he calls repeatedly that this project must be completed, and today the project is completed. And in a short while, the project is due for commissioning.
In addition to the revival of the abandoned East-West Road reconstruction and dualization project, the completed new corporate headquarters building project of the NDDC will go down in history as Senator Akpabio's legacy project as Minister of Niger Delta Affairs. To the relief of most Niger Deltans, the new corporate headquarters building project of the NDDC will be commissioned by President Muhammadu Buhari on the 11th of March 2021.
Inside the Niger Delta,